Hi, how are you? My name is Ahmad Abdulaziz Muhammad. I'm here in my home, and this is what everyone is experiencing today, the whole world, because of coronavirus lockdown. They have closed all schools, university, business to be safe and to stay home. So you know what? But I'm still studying. Let me show you how do I study. I study using a platform called Learning Management System, LMS. So LMS connects student and university. So the university upload all the resources needed by the student, and the student access those resources by just logging in this platform. So before, I used to study at Eastbad University. Because of lockdown, the university uploaded all the classes into online. So the students are learning while they are home. I'm one of them. I'm very lucky that I'm still studying while many students are not studying. I'm not wasting my time, and I'm studying and I'm progressing. This is grateful. I'm also doing a project because I'm semester 6. Of course, I have a final project. So I'm doing my project from my home, and I have a direct contact to my lecturer. I'm also planning to do my assignment, my first assignment, as time comes for the assignment, and I upload that assignment into a platform, Learning Management System. So the lecturer will mark it, and I will see my marks from the Learning Management System, LMS. So this is wonderful. We are living in a world of technology. Technology makes everything possible. But I'm missing my student, my classmate, my friends, and also my university. So I wish all of you good luck. Stay home, stay safe, and keep learning. So we shall meet as soon as they open the campus. Wish you good.